Hello everybody! Today is August 28th. I'm not sure if this video is going to be just about Disney snacks and the little Disney game we're playing, or if I'm going to add this onto another video. But either way, today my sister and I are making Disneyland snacks. We're going to be making the fried pickles, Dole whips with rum, and Mickey pretzels. So first things first, we're making these pickles, but instead of following what they're saying, we're going to be using my sister's air fryer. Probably tastes better and a little bit healthier. So we just got a jar of pickles, the spears, and then you dip in the eggs, and then there's this like Parmesan cheese, panko, and parsley mixture, and you just let them sit a little bit, and then we're going to throw them into the fryer. In case you're not familiar with Disneyland, these can be found at the Carnation Cafe in Main Street, and the only reason I know that is because it says so in this recipe. I've never been to Disneyland, but one day. And before we pop these babies in the air fryer, we're gonna add a little bit of oil. Oh, you get the Mickey ears. Mickey ears. This cup is brought to you by Woody's Lunchbox in Disney World, where I used to work on my Disney College program. These ears are brought to you by my mother, who bought them for me. They're cute. And both of these glow. Let me know if one of these days you would want to know how to make either the Grown-Ups Lemonade or the Mystic Portal Punch that we serve at Woody's Lunchbox, because I know exactly how to make those, and that's what these have in them. So let me know. And what's in this dipping sauce?
Let's see. We got mayonnaise, buttermilk, chives, parsley, dill, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper.
Oh. Wow. So in case you're wondering why we're making all these Disney snacks, my sister came across this game called Disneyland Adventures, and it's really cool, and it made me cry because I've never been to Disneyland, but from what I've seen of Disney World and what I've seen online of Disneyland, like, it is like you're actually there, and there are these mini games that are the rides, and you collect these autographs from characters, and you find these hidden Mickeys, and it's just super cool. And so my sister and I decided to make a Disney night, making Disney snacks and playing that game and showing it to my mom, who's a huge Disney fan. Hey! So this is kind of a surprise for my mom too, because she's been crazy busy at work, so Disney's always the way to go. Now Mickey pretzel time, and although we're making a Mickey shaped pretzels, they are not going to look exactly like the park ones because those are really complicated. Winnie the Pooh! So for this recipe, we use Pillsbury pizza dough. And before we put it in the oven to bake, we cover that in this mixture of baking soda and water, and then egg, and then after that you add the salt. This is the only kind of salt we had that was chunky enough for this. But you know what? It's nice, nice magical thing going on. We're all about improvisation at this house. We don't have that fancy little baster brush, so this is what we have to use. And finally, these get popped into the oven for 6 to 8 minutes. And while those are baking, we're on to snack number 3, which, if you could guess from the ingredients what this is. These turned out actually really good.
That one's the Pooh Bear.
The Pooh Bear. And we're all finished. We have our fried pickles, our Mickey pretzels, and our rum Dole whips.
This is amazing! Wow! I was gonna kid you and say, yeah, I want a Dole whip.
Well, there you go, you have it.
And it's an adult Dole whip. It has rum in it, so hopefully it's not too. Thank you. Oh my God, this is amazing.
And this is our game that we're gonna be playing
And
with our snacks.
It's just like, how amazing is this? Like, it's just, this is how like many there would be normally. So I was just impressed with this whole thing. Like a Dole whip.
So the pretzel tastes surprisingly very much like a pretzel, even though it's pizza dough. It's actually really good. It's a good recipe.
Come on, let's dance!
And now here we have the fried pickles with our special dip. I don't know what the snack in Disneyland tastes like, but this is really good. If you know me, then you know I love pineapple, and I love the Polynesian Resort, and I love all things tropical and tiki, thus tiki tea. And I have to say this Dole Whip is amazing, and it tastes pretty similar to the actual thing. So this recipe is definitely something you have to try. The enchanted tiki room!
Look at all like the little birds and stuff. This one's a little different than the one.
Perfect with the Dole Whip.
Oh, we can't go in it.
Oh, that makes me sad.
If you see a hidden Mickey, be sure to use your camera.
Oh, but it's so cute.
Tell me there's a hidden Mickey somewhere here.
Tickers don't jump, you know. They bounce. Hey, don't forget, Mickey's counting on us to help.
That was a photo pass spot. So I may or may not have forgotten to film an outro for this video, but here it is now. I also filmed the video in August and it is now September, end of September, and I'm finally able to post it because Premiere finally decided to work on my laptop. But anyway, as always, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give a like and leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.